Yes, dear friends, in this session we will see how to draw one room by using commands, Autocad commands. The size of the room, the dimensions I will mention here. This is the room, and the wall thickness we will use here 200 mm, and the dimension, the horizontal dimension, it will be 4500, and vertical inside the vertical dimension would be 3000 millimeter. This we will develop. We will use few simple commands. Number one, line, how to draw a line, how to get straight line. This is F8, means ortho. We will see how to use trim command, and fourth, erase command, and fifth is arc. Now let's get started. Friends, this is the screen of AutoCAD after opening the software. Our first step, we will click start drawing. After clicking this will appear. Here at the top you will see the menu bar and commands, and here this is called command window. Now there is something notification that I will close here. Now we will see step by step how to make the drawing of one room plan as was shown on the board. First step, we will write here, we will type UN. If you type UN, this will appear here. Units means the shortcut is UN. So I will click here, then this dialog box will open. Now here in the top we will select decimals, and in the bottom we will select now millimeters. It means we are going to make the drawing in millimeters. Click OK. This is the first step. After this we will write on the keyboard limits, LIMITS. If you type LI, so it will appear here. Now click limits. Now in the command window you can see it is showing 0.00s and 0.0s. After seeing this, just press once enter, then it will show the default limit 420 and 297. Here we will enter the new required limit of the drawing. Let us write here 10,000. Then if I type the comma here on the keyboard, it will appear here comma, then again 10,000, enter. Now after setting this one, what is the next command? Z enter and A enter. What is the meaning of Z? Means zoom. If you write here Z, it will show here zoom. Click. Then in the options it will show all these options here. Now here we have to select all. Just write A and enter. Now our limits are set. Now we can start making the drawing. Now just follow my cursor here where I am going. Here I am showing here the line Here you can read also here line. So just click this. If you click this, your cursor is different now. Now click one here and just click. If I want to go to up, but I want to draw a straight line, but here I am not getting the straight line. To get the straight line, press F8 or by keyboard ORTHO you can type. Now first I will do one thing. I will escape this command. I'll cancel this command. Now on the keyboard I will write ortho O. If you write O, it will appear here. Just click ortho. Now it is now showing off. Just click on. Now we have got the normal cursor. Now take the line command. After taking the line command, we will get this type of cursor. Now just click here. Now click here and click here. See the straight line. Now if you want to come out from this command of line, just press enter. Now we have got two lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Now very few commands we will use here for making a room plan. Starting with the offset. First command we have seen line, how to draw the line. Second command we have seen what is ortho. If you press ortho, if you make it on, then it will the lines will be in the exactly horizontal and vertical direction, 90 degrees. Now the next command is O, means offset. Just on the keyboard write O. If you write O, it will appear here offset in the top. Just click this. Now what is the offset? Offset means to draw a parallel line from the existing line. So by keeping some distance. What distance? Let us write here 200. Enter. Now select this line. I want to draw a line parallel to this line with the same dimension. So select this line here or here. Just show the direction. Just bring your cursor where you want the line. I want the line to be here in this direction. So click here. Again select this line. Show the direction here or here. Here I mean click. So we have got the offset line here with a distance of 200 millimeter. Now this is what we are doing. We have drawn a wall. The wall thickness we are considering here 200 mm. Now as per our plan, 4500 millimeter horizontal dimension we need. Now from here to here we need a line of 4000 at a distance of 4500 millimeter. Now press enter. So you will get the normal cursor. Now again O, write O, then enter, then define here what is the next distance. So I will write here 4500, enter. Now just select a line. Now show the direction here or here. Here click. Now define this direction. What dimension do we need? We need 3000 millimeter. Now just write O again on the keyboard, enter. Now define the distance here 3000. We'll define 3000, 300. You can see here I'm writing here, enter. Now select this line. I believe not 300, 3000, it came 300 by mistake. So let us escape and write again O, enter, 3000. Select this line, click here, right click, enter, exit from the command. Now we need to define the wall thickness here. Friends, here we are practicing offset command continuously. Write O, define the distance, means the wall thickness is what, 200, enter. Now select this line, show the direction here. Select this line, select here, right click, enter. Now we have to delete these lines, but it is, if we select delete means the whole line will get deleted, but we don't want this whole line to be deleted. We want this line to delete up to here, erase up to here. So what is the command on the keyboard? You can type tr, you can type tr, it will show trim here. Just click, then just select this line. This is the cutting edge, or you can say border of the line, limit of the line. Then press enter, then select this line, done. Right click, enter. Now I want the same command to be repeated, so press just once enter, it will repeat the command. Select the limit of the lines or cutting edge, then press once enter, then select this line to be deleted, this line, this line, this line and this line. Right click, enter. Now let us zoom this area. Press Z in the keyboard, on the keyboard, and press enter, then define the area from here to here. It is easy now to draw or modify anything now. Now again these lines are left, this also we have to trim it. Trim means partial delete. Now again TR on the keyboard, select this one, define the limit, then press one time enter, then select this line, done. Right click, enter. Now we have to clear these lines also, the small lines. Again trim TR, if you write TR, then another shortcut, press one time again enter, then just small lines you can click like this. You can remove all these small lines like this. Here you can, this one by mouse you can adjust this plan, this screen, just you can drag. And now after doing this, come out from the red trim command, just press enter. Now what we will do, we have to draw the door. How to define the door? Let us take line here, draw one line, just start from here, click, and this showing perpendicular, click here, right click, enter. Now again we will come back to the same command, offset, O, enter. What is the distance? Define 300 from the wall, 300 from the wall. Just click here, click and show the direction, you will get the line. Right click, enter. It means from here we need the door of 1 meter width, consider 1 meter width. Now take again offset O, enter. Define the distance 1000, means 1 meter. From here we need 1 meter line. Right click, enter. Now these two lines we have to delete. For that again, means it's a partial delete, means we will use which command? Trim command. So again on the screen, right on the keyboard, write TR, enter. Cutting edges are now this time 2, the limits are now this time 2 objects, 2 lines. Then one time right click or press enter, then select these 2 lines, done. Right click, enter. Now this small line we don't need, so this we have to erase completely. So on the keyboard just write E, means erase. You can see erase, this line we don't need. Now we have got the room. Now if you by mouse you can adjust this one, or simply if you cannot get the whole plan on your screen, just write Z enter and write A enter. You can see the whole plan here. Now we have to draw the door frame first. How to draw? Take a line command, start from the mid of this wall, click here, then show the direction from the mouse, then draw the line here. Just on the keyboard just write 50, enter. Then you have got the line. Then bring your cursor here with the help of your mouse, then show the direction and give the dimension. What is the dimension here? Whatever the width we have given here, same dimension. Just show the direction and write here on the keyboard 1000, means 1 meter, enter. Then show the direction here, write 50, then enter. You have got the line again. Now bring the cursor here where you started this frame. It will show the end point here. Just click, done. Now press enter. You will come out from the command. Now again, the next step is very important, very beautiful step. How to draw the arc here to show the door. For that, just click here. You can see arc. Then how to draw? Click the first point here, second point mid of this door wall, click and bring your cursor to the end of this wall, click, finish. This is the door you have got. So this is the way you can make the plan, wall and door. In the next session we will show you how to make these walls in the layers and how to write the text and dimensions. Thank you.